Hey y'all, welcome to your 2.4 lesson for Algebra 2. And today we're going to talk about writing equations of lines. So of course that's our goal. Slope-intercept form, if you will recall, is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. Point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where x1, y1 is a point on the line, and again, m is the slope. And by the way, it's not on your notes. You might want to write it somewhere. Remember, standard form is ax plus by equals c. There's no fractions, and a is positive. It's like the formal way of writing the equation of a line. Note, if you are given 2 points on the line, then first use the slope formula to find m, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then use point slope form to write the equation of the line. Now, unless you are told otherwise, final answers will be written in slope-intercept form. So before you decide something's your final answer, unless you're told, leave the answer in point slope form or leave the answer in standard form. If it says to leave it in slope-intercept form, or if it doesn't say what form to leave it in, the default is slope-intercept form. Okay, your first example, you're going to write an equation given the slope and the y-intercept. And so you're told to write an equation of the line shown. Now, we could give you the slope, just tell you m equals whatever, and the y-intercept is whatever, or we can ask you to read that information from the line. And here, they do give you the coordinates for the y-intercept. It's 0, 1. And then you can look at and get the slope by seeing how to get from 0, 1 to another point on the line. So to get to another point on the line, we start at 0, 1, and we go down 3 and to the right 2. So from the graph, you can see the y-intercept is 0, 1, and you can tell that the slope is negative 3, 2, because if you start at 0, 1 and you go down 3, so negative 3, and to the right 2, so 2, you end up back on the line. So you should use slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, and you can use that the slope is negative 3, because we start at 0, 1, and we go down 1, 2, 3, and then we go to the right 2, 1, 2, and we end up back on the line. That's our slope, so you plug that in for m. Y equals negative 3 halves x plus 1. Example 2, we're going to write an equation of the line given the slope and a point, and this time we actually give you the information. But this time it's not the y-intercept, it's another point that we give you. So we're going to write the equation of the line that passes through 2, 1 and has a slope of 2. So because you know the slope and a point on the line, use the point slope form to write an equation of the line to get you started, and then we'll transform it to slope-intercept form. So we're going to let x1, y1 be 2, 1. So x1 is 2, y1 is 1, and m equals 2. So we're going to use point slope form. So we write down y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. You want to write that down every time you use it, today at least, on this, when you're doing the rounds actually for this section, just so that you can memorize it. That's an easy way to memorize it. Now we're going to substitute. So we have y minus 1, because y1 is 1, equals 2, because the slope is 2, times x minus 2, because x1 is equal to 2. And then we simplify using the distributive property. So we have y minus 1 equals 2x minus 4. We add 1 to both sides to put it in slope-intercept form, and we get y equals 2x minus 3, because negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Okay, that's it, believe it or not, for video 1. And I will meet you back here again in just a second for video 2.